teams, comm check.
Razor 3-2, read you loud and clear, uniform.
This is 3-1. Roger, we hear you. Over.
Secondary objective is as follows. 3-1 is to take position at the base of the complex where presumably our man is being held, and wait for support from Anderson. Just to be clear, if you can't spot the friendly, rescue operation is aborted. We have zero room for playing hide and seek, or for mistakes, people. Anderson, our comms officer, Lieutenant Vance, will vector you into the objective. With that radar system blind, we can safely launch our UAV drone.
Long time, Anderson.
Vance. How's Gordon?
Gone PMC a while back. Haven't heard for a while. We're all waiting for him to finally come back.
I like the guy. Never said much, but damn, he was effective.
Погрел ему партию часов. Роликс? Конечно же, я вас свяжу. Даешь мне половину и дело в шляпе. Я серьезно. А ты как думаешь? Будь начеку, смотри в оба. Есть, сэр. Есть, сэр. Там все в порядке? Есть что-нибудь? Все тихо. Проверь все посты. Конечно. Все, контакт!
Razor 3-2 in position. 3-1, I got eyes on you.
Roger, support. We're standing by for your signal. Find our guy, Anderson.
Take a sweep of the area, 3-2. There are several buildings here that can potentially contain the target.
I'm on it. There's a building looking like a restaurant. At one time, at least. 4 men dispatched, but they don't seem to be watching anything in particular.
A hostage has got to demand more attention. These guys are pros. Look elsewhere.
I see the yacht in the docking bay. Seems quiet. They must have already unpacked. Counting as many as 9 hostiles, though.
Let us worry about that. Continue the sweep.
One MI-17 stationed on the helipad, 4 tangos in the vicinity. No sign of POI, over.
Damn it.
Bingo. Confirmed POI location. Large apartment with glass walls, northwest part of the complex.
Can you determine his status, Razor?
Affirmative. He's alive, but they're working him over. Recommend immediate extraction.
All teams, green light to assault and secure POI. Do it fast and swift. No loose ends.
Solid copy, uniform. Weapons checked, men. Get ready. We're crashing this party.
I've identified several choke points along the route to the apartment. We'll coordinate once you reach them.
Copy that. We've hit land. Proceeding to first choke point. Keller, we can cover more ground and better conceal movement if we split into 2 teams. Good one. Nichols, you go with Diaz. Gomez on me. We'll sandwich the apartment from opposite directions. Contact patrol coming out of the boat shed. Nichols on me. Anderson, hold your shot. Let's try and keep things quiet. We're good to go. We've reached the long staircase. One sniper atop the building eyeing it. Eliminate a rookie tick.
Copy that.
Direct hit. Up the stairs. Let's hustle.
Advancing.
Okay, pit stop. I see 2 targets, but the one on the terrace is too obscured. Can you take him while I target the lower one?
Sure thing. Count it.
Let's take them at the same time. Perfect. Where to go? Razor 3-2, our progress is impaired. 2 snipers located at the westernmost part of the island. Rooftop level. Can't run under their noses. Request assist.
Got it. Target 1 eliminated.
Now tag the second one.
Both tangos neutralized.
Roger, moving up.
A real clusterfuck, that's one. 2 groups of hostiles above and at ground level, 5 total. The ones on higher ground have to be top priority.
Standing by for your sweep. Kill confirmed. Now, eliminate the second.
All tucked neatly beneath the carpet.
I read you. Now we can do the same for the remainder. Your target is on the boat's stern. On you.
Area cleared.
Roger, moving up. This is Diaz. We've reached the helipad. Anderson, 3 targets for you. We're in a bad position. You're on your own this time. Try to line a double shot or wait till they have their backs against each other. Nice shot. Chopper pilot snooping around.
Got him.
Okay, south path clear. Final choke point. You can use some help with the guy directly in the building. Figure out the coordinates. Kill confirmed. One of the targeting soldiers, 3-2. Nice shot. Tango on the left. Shit! Take him down before he alerts someone. We're done prepping for assault. Diaz, how's it on your end? A-okay. We'll need a diversion to get this done, though. If we don't thin their numbers before going in, it could be roadkill.
I got an idea. Caught a glimpse of a large fuel tank at the helipad. You got some claymores, right?
I see where you're going. I'll mind the stairs. You cause some noise. Keller, Sounds like a plan. We hit the place once the mines go off. Okay, Cole, you're the conductor. Show starts on your way. Nice shot. And they're off. Wait for it. Strike one, we're live. Go, go, go! Breaking clear. Diaz on me. Advancing. We're taking fire. Cole, open up on them. Anderson, engage, engage! Keep on them, advance! Good work, come on. First floor clear. Advancing! Gomez, cover me! Tango right. Clear. Second floor clear, no hostage in sight. Go, go, go! Target in sight. Anderson, we got a situation. One of the hostages is held at gunpoint. We'll try to flush the merc out for you. Stand by.
Okay, copy.
You're surrounded. Put down the gun, and I promise you, you won't be harmed. Place your hands on your head and fuck you, Mudak. You think I'm stupid? You three put down yours. Come any closer, and he dies. Stop! Not one more step. Put your rifle on the ground slowly. Don't think for a second going down this road will do you any good. Let him go. You're outnumbered. Friendly security's in bad shape. Uniform, request medevac.
Copy last. Chopper is spinning up now. Can you use IR strobe to vector it in?
Affirmative.
Solid work, teams. Keller, you and your men secure the location and wait for our bird. We're also sending supplies and 2 additional elements. Anderson, go ahead and clear a path to the hotel.